Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect, and you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds from your phone, you tap at this button and you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, you click at the forget button and you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this one, you need to tap at that button. Now let's disconnect it. And now, as you can see, I just stop Bluetooth connection with them because it moved to save devices, but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them if these earbuds do not connect it with another device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!